To manage how and where Microsoft Edge saves your downloads, you can adjust the Ask Me What to Do with each download toggle in the Edge download setting. So open the Microsoft Edge browser and open the setting by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. So go to the Downloads and click Downloads on the left hand sidebar. So right now my current setting is ask where to save each file before download. So if I want to disable, then switch off, then ask me what to do with the each download files will then download automatically to your default folder, and which is the right now my desktop. And if you turn it on, then this will trigger a prompt open save or save as for every file. And you can change the location from here. Click on that and change whatever the location, for example, downloads, and click select folders and click OK. So whenever you download the files, then it will be automatically stored to the download folders. So this way you can easily manage downloads location in Microsoft Edge. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.